your name?
My name is Emily.
Emily?
Yes. And what is your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Where are
you
you calling me from today?
I call you from Iraq.
Oh, cool. Which part of Iraq are you in?
I live in Baghdad, in the capital.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And what do you
yours?
do there? I live in Panama, but I'm from the United States.
Uh-huh. In Panama, which is the nearest about which country?
You've read news about this country? You mean my country?
Yeah, Panama.
Oh, cool. What have you read?
What do you mean by red?
Which things have you read about Panama? Like, what do you know about Panama?
I've never heard before about Panama.
Oh, okay.
Is it
yeah,
in the United States or?
no, it's actually a different country.
Yeah.
And it is in Central America. So it is between the countries of Costa Rica and Colombia.
Uh-huh.
So it's like on the ocean, on the Caribbean Ocean. And
Yeah.
I'll send you a link. This is like the place I live, but it's very, it's like 12 hours away from the main city. So I live in a very small island now.
Uh-huh. And you decided to live for entire life, or you just for a vacation?
Probably, so I've been living here about a year and a half now.
Yes.
And so probably I will not stay forever, but I am not sure yet. Before this, I was traveling for about 3.5 years.
Uh-huh.
And then I decided that I would like to live here. So I've been here for a little over a year.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes in the future. It depends on, opportunities and jobs and things. I would like to own my own business someday, somewhere, but I don't know where yet.
And currently you teach in Panama?
Yeah, I only teach. No, I don't teach in person in schools. I only teach online. And then my other jobs, I do graphic design and advertising as well.
I don't know what does mean advertising.
Advertising is kind of like getting people to go to things. So for me, it's getting people to come to eat somewhere or go see music at a bar or things like that. I'm like making the flyer, and then I'll hand them out to people. I guess you could say advertising, or you could say promotion. I think maybe would also be similar for the job title.
The same are correct.
They're with my job, they're similar. You could say you are. I think it's most like promotion, because people, if they say advertising, maybe it's in a magazine or on television or the internet. But I'm doing like maybe more promotion, like getting people to come to a certain location.
So,
and go on.
You love to move from country to another.
Yeah, I don't like the part where I have to travel, like be on a plane or a bus or something. I don't like that part, but I like seeing new cities, and once I arrive and get to see the culture and eat different food and see new places is all really interesting to me.
Yeah, you like discovering.
Yeah, like to be in a new city where you don't know where anything is, or like it can be really cool.
And in this period of time, have you met friends? Have you communicate with people in Panama, or have you have a relative there?
Yeah, I actually don't have any relatives here. Both of my parents are from the United States.
Yeah,
But I have been, yeah, I have like a lot of friends here that I've met. I have a boyfriend that I met here.
yeah,
And so, like a lot of people come and go here. So there's like maybe 4 months out of the year where there's so many tourists coming. And then the rest of the year is less of them. So,
me,
I have some friends that live here all the time and some friends that come back and forth many times a
yeah,
year. But yeah, it was one of the reasons why I moved here is because it was easiest for me to make to make friends and to communicate with people here. Like I've traveled in Asia for about 7 months, 8 months, and
uh-huh,
it was easier for me to make friends here than local friends like in Asia. Even though people were very friendly and nice there, I didn't make any like real relationships, like friendships where you are very close with that person.
uh-huh. And
So I preferred to
so,
move here.
yeah, and every country you visited, you make new friends, and I
Yeah,
think that that's good for you because you have friends around the world.
exactly. Like and some of them you still like some of them I still speak to very frequently, like a couple of them, and then also even people I don't speak to, if I were in their country, maybe I could be like, "Hello, I'm in Germany. Like, can I stay at your house?" And maybe even if I stay at a hotel, like they could show me all the cool things to do for locals in their city.
Yeah.
Because I feel like um, when you go and you just see the tourist things, you don't